back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, how's your namaste, and my name is Hillary. So today I have a kind of different video planned than what I normally post. I'm going to do an unboxing and a kind of like play with makeup video today. So let's just get into it. So I placed an order for Colourpop, I'd say a couple weeks ago, and it just came in the mail recently. So that's why I'm doing this video now. And you may notice, unlike most of my videos, I actually don't have any base on my face today. And that's because I got this tinted moisturizer that Colourpop sells. It's called the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, and I have never tried anything like this. If you've watched my past videos, you know I don't even use foundation, I just use concealer because most foundation cover up my freckles and I don't like that. But this tinted moisturizer, it's meant to be very sheer, so I thought like, hey, that's kind of what I'm all about, you know, because I don't like full coverage foundation. So I had to order this online, so I don't know if the shade is going to be correct, but I have the shade Fair 1 in right now, so I'll try it right now. And this is what it looks like. It's like a tube, but it has like a little squirt thing. So I'm gonna look to see if there are directions on how to apply it the best. So it says to use a primer first, so that's what I'll do. So I think I'm just gonna start applying this where I normally just apply concealer, so like under the eyes, forehead, and chin, nose. And it says that I can use a sponge or my fingers, and I have a sponge that I'm going to be using. So I'm kind of just going to squirt this on my hand, I think. Okay, so it very much looks like concealer, but it's more liquidy, I think. Yeah, so I'm just going to start applying this. So I do actually like this a lot. It has like not a quite matte finish, it's like kind of glossy, and I kind of like that. It's more like skin-like, but you can still see like the bags under my eyes. So I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my normal concealer and conceal in those places. Okay, so I just did the rest of my base so that I wasn't looking so flat, and I do actually like how this looks a lot. I was getting a little worried because of how like white I was looking, but I like this a lot. So I'm also saving the best product that I'm most excited for last, so stick around if you want to see that. And next, I think I'll go into, I bought 2 single shadows, and this might be a topic for a different day, but if you know me, my one like makeup thing advice would be to not buy individual shadows. I think they are like a complete waste of money, unless, however, they're glitter shades, because glitter shades you could use a lot more than just like a matte, a dark shade, I feel like. So I did get 2 glitter shades, and I'm pretty excited. This first one is called a pressed powder shadow, and it is metallic cloud, and it's like a purple, pinky purple. And then this other one's a pressed glitter, and it's super pretty. It's called Blossom. So I might not use these today because I don't know how detailed of an eye look I'm gonna do, but I do plan on using those in a video that's gonna come out in a few days. So watch my next video if you want to see those. And now I have what they call a jelly muck shadow, and I'm just gonna open this real quick. It looks like this, and I have the shade Doves and Roses, and so I'm opening it up, and it has this little tab thing, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a glitter, but it has like a weird texture. It's kind of like a cream shadow, I guess. Like a cream glitter shadow is how I would describe it. So I kind of want to try this out today because of how different it is and, you know, the color and stuff. So stick around if you want to see that. Next, I have these face jewels. I have always wanted like rhinestones and stuff to use in eye looks, but I had never like found any, and they were selling some, so I was like, yeah, I'll get those. So they come with stars, little circles, and hearts, so hopefully I get to use those today, but we'll see. And finally, the product that I am most excited for is this palette. It's called the Aura and Out palette. There you go. And it has the shade names on the back, but it also has those on the pan. So I remember when this product launched, and I was really excited for it, but I'm cheap, so I don't buy stuff at full price. So I just waited till it was on sale, and I'm pretty sure this is still on sale. So if you like this, you might want to check it out. So this is what it looks like. Oops. It's a tie-dye theme, I'm pretty sure. So that's why we have all like sorts of colors. But I really like this color story. I love blues and greens. I think they look good with my hair, so I wear them a lot. So when I saw it, I was like, yeah, that's super cute. I love it. So I'm going to create a look now using this palette. And because the color stories of the palette and the shadow don't match up super well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to incorporate it, but I'll try my best. So I'm just gonna clean off my desk and start playing with this. So I messed around. This is the look that I came up with, and I think that I'm going to add this turquoise mascara that I also have from Colourpop on my lower lash line, and just black mascara on the top. So I'm gonna add mascara and do this to the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back for my final thoughts. So this is the final look. I added a small white wing and some just pretty clear lip gloss to go along with it. And I really like how this look turned out, and I'll start by talking about the products. My favorite that I tried was definitely the palette. Like I said, I love the color story, but one thing that I think I should say about this palette is it only has 3 mattes, so that's a third of the colors, And usually when I buy palettes, I like to buy palettes that either have at least half mattes, because when you create an eye look, like using one palette, you need a lot more mattes than like shimmer or glitter shades. This one, it has just like a little bit of glitter in it, and same as this one. So I guess you could use those as mattes if you're okay with the glitter in it. But I just think that's a little weird, the proportion of matte shades to like glitter and shimmer shades in the palette. And the tinted moisturizer I actually really like too. I think that I will definitely be using it in the future along with my already normal concealer. And I didn't try the single eyeshadows, the cream shadow, or the gemstones today, but I will be trying those in future videos, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see those. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these unboxing videos and these play with makeup videos, please let me know. I'm super open to feedback. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.